Friends, hello everyone. In this video, I will tell you how to register on the Roboforex broker using our mobile phone. And for this, you just need to scroll down beneath this video, follow the link that I left in the description, and step by step, replicate all of my actions exactly as I have demonstrated. All actions accordingly I will broadcast on my mobile phone. So, we go to the Roboforex website. At the bottom, we descend, we observe a green rectangle, we press on this rectangle to interact with it. And accordingly, we are transferred to the next window where we need to enter our current email address. So first name, last name, and our current mobile phone. Following that, once you have filled in all the empty lines, you will need to enter the partner code in order to proceed further. You have the option to utilize my partner code, and it will enable you to access the 10th level of the partner program in order to earn extra bonuses from the partners you have recently attracted to maximize your earnings potential. Therefore, we opt for this particular line and proceed to write our content. This code, you can also find the code in the description. Click Done, Register. Then we are redirected to the new window of Roboforex Broker. Subsequently, we must proceed to our email, which we initially entered in the empty line, and save our login and password for future reference and easy access. So I'm going to do it now. I log into my email and see the latest email from Roboforex. So here is the password. I'll just take a screenshot of it. And I save it to my phone. Alternatively, I write it down separately in a notebook, which is even better. So let's log into Roboforex once more. Now we navigate to the top left corner, choose the menu option, and click on the third line, which is the profile. We scroll down to the verification inscription, press the verification. After that, we click Send Code to confirm our email. A new email with the code should also be sent to this email address that we used for registration. Please make your way to the designated area where the mail is located and retrieve any correspondence or packages that may be waiting for you. Please duplicate this code by making a copy and utilizing the replicated version for your intended purposes. Copy this code and insert an empty line. Press OK. Next, we go step by step, going down. Now, we proceed gradually, moving downwards, one step at a time, carefully following each instruction. We opt for this rectangle. And then a new window emerges, presenting us with a range of choices and details to consider, where to reply to queries. I select a passport and require to upload a passport photograph. So, let's take a photo of the passport. It is better not to do this by hand, but to put it somewhere in a separate place. Utilize this photograph, clicking on the next button. The next step, we go through the confirmation of residence. To do this, you need to either get a bank statement, or mobile phone bills, or internet bills. Well, accordingly, there, as it suits you best. As a result, we make a choice and proceed to upload a photo. Personally, I will make a selection of a bank statement for the required purpose. So now I will locate my discharge in the photo gallery and proceed to upload it. So, I am currently in the process of uploading the document to the designated location for further review and assessment purposes, and I opt for the subsequent option. At this point in time, we are in need of providing answers to the various questions that have been posed to us. Yes, that is correct. Affirmed. Please save this information. It is of utmost importance. The process of document identification is being conducted to ensure accurate identification of all relevant and necessary documents. Following that, navigate back to the menu and choose the third line, which corresponds to the profile option. So, the third line, profile. We go down and choose exactly this item. Now, in order to proceed, we are required to verify our mobile phone number. We need to choose the verification option and provide our current mobile number, which we had previously indicated during the initial registration process when we first signed up for the service. We state that we are not a robot and push consent. Waiting for code to be sent to my phone number. Please select confirmation. Just to let you know, our phone number has been successfully verified. Concluding. And subsequently, we must verify the validity of our presently active bank card. Therefore, you will need your bank card at this moment. And at the top of the menu, we currently find the second line and locate here bank card verification. We choose this line, then we scroll down, and here we are presented with instructions on how to take a photo of our bank card. Look, here we should omit the initial 6 digits and the final 4 digits. We can blur or conceal all the other numbers in Photoshop or simply with a piece of paper. The main condition is that your name and your signature should be on the card. So now I will take a photo of my card and send it. I pick mine.
Cardinal, a word or symbol representing a specific quantity or count, often used in mathematics or counting applications.
So, let us choose the reverse side of the same card. Additionally, do not forget the color after the 6th day of the month.
Numerals represent quantities in mathematical calculations.
And press send. Everything. Our card is waiting for verification. Now you have finished the entire verification process. It can be confirmed within 5, up to a whole day. So thank you for watching. Use this broker.